Activation fee for unlocked phones on Verizon.
Welcome to this quick video-style tutorial on the activation fee for bringing an unlocked phone to Verizon. We'll cover the fee and everything you need to know about activating your unlocked device.
What is an unlocked phone?
An unlocked phone is a device that isn't tied to a specific carrier, giving you the freedom to switch between different mobile networks. This allows you to use the same phone with multiple carriers simply by swapping the SIM card.
Can you bring an unlocked phone to Verizon?
Yes, you can. Verizon allows customers to bring their own unlocked devices to their network. Before doing so, you should make sure your device is compatible with Verizon's network by checking its IMEI number on their website.
What is the activation fee?
When you bring an unlocked phone to Verizon, you may be required to pay an activation fee. This is a one-time charge that covers the cost of setting up your device on their network.
How much is the activation fee?
As of September 2021, the activation fee for bringing an unlocked phone to Verizon is $35. Keep in mind that fees may be subject to change, so it's always a good idea to double-check with Verizon before activating your device.
Are there any ways to avoid the activation fee?
Occasionally, Verizon may offer promotions that waive the activation fee for new customers or those adding a new line. It's worth checking their website or contacting customer service to see if any such offers are available at the time of activation. Bringing an unlocked phone to Verizon is a great option for those looking to switch carriers or save money on a new device. The activation fee is typically $35, but you might be able to find promotions that waive this fee. Always double-check with Verizon for the most up-to-date information.